My wonderful people, I welcome you all to the fourth day of this free picture editing class. If you have been enjoying this class, I encourage you to subscribe to this page. On your notification bell, I usually drop picture and video editing tutorials, so you have much to learn, so that once I drop a tutorial, you'll be among the first people to get it. In today's class, I'm going to teach you how to clone your images, like have your two of your images clone to a particular, to one image. I'm going to teach you how to do that. And to do that, we are going to be using this app, PicsArt. So once you open your PicsArt, click on this plus sign. Make sure your data is on when you're doing this. Scroll up, you come to this color background, click on it. Then you click on this white background. Once it loads, the next thing you need to do is scroll right a bit. You see this sticker, click on it. Then click on this search bar and search white light. So you can select any of these white lights. Like me, let me just select this one. Then you increase it. Once you are done increasing it, you tick it. So now you need to remove the background from the images you want to clone. So the next thing you need to do is come out here, go to your Chrome and then type remove.bg. See it here. See it, remove.bg. This is where you need to remove the background of those images. You can always come here to remove background of your images. Click on this upload image and then select that image you want to use and you want to remove the background. Alright, so let me use this image. Click on done. Then allow the image to load. Once it loads, it will automatically remove the background of the image. And make sure your data is strong when you are doing this so that it wouldn't take much time to remove the background. So now the background has been removed. Click on this download button and download the image to your phone. Click on download and download the image to your phone. Once you are done, you click on this plus sign to add the second image you want to use for this image cloning. So let's look for the second image. Alright, let me use this image. You click on done. Then give it some time to remove the background. Alright, so now the background has also been removed. You click on the download button to download it. So once you are done removing the background of these images, you come back to your PicsArt. So the next thing you need to do is scroll right a bit and click on this add photo and add the first image. Let's take this one first. Click on add and add the first image. You can zoom it in, increase the picture, increase it. So this is it. So now the next thing you need to do is click on this eraser button and then you can increase the size of your eraser. So let's remove some of the parts that we don't need. Let me reduce it a bit so that we'll have a clean work. So assuming now in the process of removing this thing, you notice that you've mistakenly removed where you don't want to remove, just click on this restore and restore back those places. Do you see it? I've restored it back. Then let me still click on erase and erase it the way I wish. So we see what we have left now. Once you're done, click on this, tick it. After ticking it, scroll to the right button and click on this adjust. Then you click on saturation. See saturation here. Click on it and then we reduce it. I hope you see what I've done. So that is it. Once you're done, you tick it. Then you can as well increase it a bit more. So now that we are done with this, the next thing we need to do is click on this plus sign. Let's add the second image. Click on add photo. Then we're going to be clicking on the second image, which is this. Click add. It has been added. You now increase it and keep it like this. I hope you are watching what I'm doing very clearly. You can keep it like this. So the next thing we need to do is click on this add button again and click on sticker. Then search for shade. Then I'm going to select this one. We just want this image to look real. Sorry. Let me bring it down a bit. We want this image to look real. So this one now I'm going to reduce the opacity so that it will just look as if that's my image standing there. So the next thing we'll do is we'll click on this, my first image, this one. You see this image? I've clicked on it. I want to erase some parts so that it will not be affected, so that it will look real. So click on this eraser button and then you erase these parts. You see, all these parts, we erase it. So the next thing we want to do is you tick it. When you're done, you tick it. So the next thing we want to do is to click on this add button and then click on sticker and search for blue eye. You can search for blue eye or contact eye, anyone. So then we see so many of it. You can select any one you like. So let me just select this one. You know, in art, sometimes they just do something very abstract. Reduce it so that it will size your eye. Just take your time and adjust it nicely. Let it cover where your black eye is supposed to cover. Don't forget that after watching all these things that you need to be doing your assignment and be submitting to our WhatsApp group where our assignments are supposed to be submitted, so that you'll be learning how to do all these things. If you watch and you don't practice it, you're going to be forgetting all that we've done here. So as you're watching it, take your time, do it nicely, let it come out well. Time and do it nicely. You see it? So it's in well nicely. So once you're done adjusting your image the way it should be, just click on this button to download it. Ensure to do something very nice. So that is it, guys, for this tutorial. In our next tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can generate an AI image with your name or your business name, and also how you can clone this image to your face so that it will have personal connection with your audience. So see you in my next class. Don't forget, I am still your one and only editing lioness, Akugoma. Bye.